What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you a quick reinvestment on Hashflare. If you're not aware of what Hashflare is, it is a cloud mining site where you basically pay to rent space, and then you'll be mining Bitcoin, or I'll show you what else they have. They have Script, which is also Bitcoin, and then ETH, which is Ethereum, and Equihash, which I believe is Zcash. Yep. And so you rent out space and pay for hash power, and then every single day you get a payout that your specific hash power that you've paid for mined for that day. So as you can see, I have 0.58 terahashes, which equates to around $220, or no, I'm sorry, $120. And as you can see here, here's my revenue forecast. I'm earning about $1 a day, 7 a week, 31 a month, 187 every 6 months, and then 379 every year. And when you buy hash power, you're buying a contract for a year. So I paid $120, and by the end of the contract, I would have received 379. So it's huge returns on investments. It's a really good investment to do and a good way to build passive crypto income. So every single day, without me doing anything, I'm getting this payout. And I'd like to get my loans up to 3,000, but for now, this is still really good because I only put 120 in. So I'm just going to show you a quick reinvestment. So as you can see from my payouts, I have 0.002 Bitcoin. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to buy 10 more gigahash. And then, actually, let's see if we can do 20. I don't think we can. Nope, not yet. Alright, so we'll do the 10 gigahash. Proceed. And then we'll hit select payment method. Pay from balance, because I'm using my payouts to pay for this. And I confirm. Alright. And then, as you can see down here, I now have 0.59 terahashes. So this revenue forecast will go up. And with reinvestments, I'm at close to 130. So in the 8 days, I believe, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So in 13 days, I've made $9, which is pretty good for 13 days. But I've been reinvesting every single day, and I would suggest that you do the same. Just because the more you have invested, the more you earn every single day. So I've just been reinvesting every single day, and I'll probably keep doing that for the rest of this year and then start taking profits, because I really want to get this number to 14 terahash, and I want to do that by the end of 2018. So you can join me in that journey, and if you want to use Hashflare too, I have a link in the description. If you guys want, we can do like a little competition so you can get the most hash power. Just make it a friendly competition, and at the same time, we're both earning money. So go ahead and use that link to sign up. It'll save you 3% off of your first hash power upgrade, and then you can also use the same code to get 3% off of every single hash power upgrade. So use that link down below, and then that's about it for today, guys. Leave a like, comment anything you want to see in the future, and most importantly, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.